Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. This is some footage of a recent installation in Adel, north of Leeds. The cameras have the advanced human detection, so when a person is detected, it will trigger the inbuilt strobe light in the CCTV cameras. This is a great deterrent for any person walking around the customer's property. They would certainly know that the cameras have detected them and they are on video. Once the customer has received the alerts, it has the ability to initialise a conversation via its two-way audio. The camera also has an inbuilt siren that can be remotely activated. The IP cameras have many useful features. All of these would be explained in the initial site survey. Our engineers were able to hide all the cables from view for a neat and tidy installation. The CCTV will send the owners notifications to the mobile phones when a person is detected. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. The cameras can also produce a stunning colour picture at night time. This helps with the identification of people and vehicles when playing back the footage. All the camera systems that we install are tailored to the customer's property. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.